Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my future video, don't forget to hit on the subscriber button below, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button. So let's get into the video. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a very beautiful patchwork princess cut neckline kameez. So to make this dress, I just bought a raw silk. The brown color fabric is a raw silk, and that beautiful green color fabric is like a brocade fabric. So I just made the armhole shoulder, and that is the back neckline. From that I'm going to give little bit depth to the front neckline. So just take a half a meter of any kind of pattern fabric and lay the pattern fabric underneath the kameez fabric, and you're going to draw the armhole, shoulder and the neckline. So then you're going to decide till much you want that fabric to be visible on your dress. So I just want this printed fabric to be like till 14 inches. That's the brocade fabric. So you're going to make that princess cut till that 14 inches. So from the shoulder I'm just going to mark till 14 inches. So I just want this much of fabric to be visible on my kameez. So if you want, you can increase the height of this fabric as you like. And to the folded edge, so this fabric is folded in half, so from the folded edge I'm going to take like 4 inches and just give a small marking for that. And from the armhole I'm going to take the same 4 inch. Okay, so with a neat and nice curve you're going to draw a line like such. So this is called as a princess cut. Okay, so that curve cut from the armhole till the down part of your waist area is called as a princess cut. And I'm going to leave some of fabric for folding, and this is how it's going to come. Again, you're going to leave a little bit of marginal amount of fabric for folding the sides, and I'm going to give a beautiful piping to finish off the raw edge of the princess cut fabric. Okay, so it's a very beautiful soft brocade fabric. And now I'm cutting into my shoulders. I'm going to give a V neckline for this neck design. Okay, so it doesn't need to be a particular V neckline. I'm going to give little bit curve to that. So I'm going to mark the depth of the neckline like 7.5 inches, which is absolutely depends upon how much you want to mark. So from the top of the shoulder I'm going to draw a V neckline with the help of the ruler, and I'm going to slightly curve that. Okay, so from the top I'm going to draw a V. So I don't want a straight V, I want it to be little bit curved. It absolutely depends upon you, as you like. You can alter the neckline. Okay, and let me cut this into. So in this way you can design your own dress. Believe me, it's just going to look really stunning, and the end result was really absolutely beautiful. And now let me show you the stitching of this. So in my previous video I just made these kind of piping. I showed you how to make this bias piping in many of my videos, so if you want you can check with that. And you're going to place the piping on the pretty side of the fabric, and you're going to sew that. It's a bias piping, and you're going to sew on the exact margin like this, changing the zipper foot. Okay, so make sure you don't pull the fabric, and also you don't pull the bias strip. And once it's done, all you're going to do is you're going to turn the bias strip to the wrong side like such. See, this is a pretty side. Just flip that so that the cord would be popping out, and you're going to put a top stitch on this. So very well designed dress. This is very neat and very elegant. All you need to know is the correct color combination that you have to give to the fabric. So little by little I'm sewing my piping like such. So if you're trying to make this in a royal blue color fabric, make sure that the brocade fabric should be like in gold or combination with red. Okay, so color combination plays a very important role in making a design like such. And so now make sure that the center point of your brocade fabric matches the center point of your dress. So now you're watching the pretty side. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a top stitch matching the brocade fabric and the kameez like such, and then I'll be giving the same piping to the neckline to finish that raw edge. So little by little I'm sewing that like such, and you can see it just sits nice and neat. And I'm going to cut the excess fabric out. Okay. Make sure you use a very sharp scissors to get into that pointed tip of the neckline. So now take the same piping and make sure that you place the piping on the crease side of the fabric, and you're going to sew all the way down. Okay, make sure that you sew on the exact close to the cord, which is very important. Okay, so when you get into the pointy tip, you have to just drop the needle in, and you're going to lift the foot up to turn the fabric to be on the right track. So I'm just marking the exact point, the center point of the neckline. So when I get into the center point, just drop the needle and lift the foot up and turn the fabric like such. And you need a very straight, very neat pointed tip to make a V neckline, which is very important. So little by little at the time, don't be in a hurry, and you can't sew that at a stretch. So little by little gives a very neat neckline. So once it's done, you're going to add some notches all around the neckline. First notch should be in the center, and you're going to sew, just cut that like such. The small slits will do. Make sure that you don't cut into the thread. Okay, so once after cutting that, make sure that the cord is being turned to the wrong side like such, and you'll get a very beautiful neckline. And if you want, you can pin that, and then you can sew that in your machine. Now I'm pinning the piping like such. So before taking that to the sewing machine, I want to do all the corrections over here. And now same like that, the same zipper foot, you're going to finish off the piping like this. So it is very simple, but it just gives you a very neat, elegant look. Okay, so if you're wearing this as a party wear, you can add some glimpsy lace also. I have most of my party wear dresses made with the raw silk, because it gives you a very rich look. And also whatever design you do with the raw silk, it just comes out really nice, because the stiffness of the fabric makes the design to look outstanding. And the color combination also plays a very important role over here, as I told you before. And see, you're going to sew the shoulders and armhole along with the neckline. So make sure that there is no fabric trapped inside the brocade fabric. So before sewing that, make sure that you ease the fabric, and you're going to sew that. Don't pull the fabric. Okay, so now little by little I'm going to sew the down part of the bodice. And if you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, as I told before, do subscribe my channel, and also just click on the thumbs up button below. So like this, I'm going to sew the entire brocade fabric, and also I'd be adding some golden buttons at the center of this brocade fabric to give a very beautiful look. So the end result is really stunning, and sure I will share the end result at the end. So watch till the end. And now you can see I'm just sewing like such. So little by little I'm sewing this. So for every sewing machine you'll get the zipper foot. Make sure you buy a good zipper foot like this. For sure you'll get a zipper foot. And for making a piping, zipper foot is very important, and you can sew that in a better way if you have a zipper foot like this. Okay, now I have finished, and let me show you the end result. And this is how it's going to look once it's done. And you can see I just added a 4 buttons at the exact center, and it just came out really beautiful and elegant. And I want everyone to give a try, because for sure it will come really neat if you follow the exact same step as I told you. And hope you like this video. And if you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button if you want more more design videos like this. And see you next time with a different kind of video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.